Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to view your achievements in the Apple Games app on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. With the Games app on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, Apple makes it pretty easy to track your progress across a variety of games. So whether you are unlocking milestones, completing challenges, or competing with friends, the achievement section gives you a clear view of your gaming accomplishments. That's it. Let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Apple Games app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. And then you have to click on your profile located at the top right. And then you have to scroll down a bit and hit the Achievements tab. You will now see a long list of achievements by specific games. Now tap on a specific game to view all of your achievements to find out where exactly you stand in the game and what you need to do to get better. And that's about it. Now you know how to access and view all your gaming achievements right from the Apple Games app on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It's a great way to track your progress, stay motivated, and celebrate your wins, big or small. So keep playing, keep unlocking, and most importantly, have fun. And I'll catch you up in the next one.